Hello friends, this is Kiran Sarwais and we are continuing the lesson A Shot in the Dark. See the page number 15. The left side paragraph we discusses in the last period. So that's why Phillips want to become a present parliament. Means this is the possible successor. So that's why he went in the railway carriage and he having a traveling there, and according to that he is discussing to each other and he having a agreeable and profitable trip. So see the next paragraph. Among the passenger dotted about the platform. So among the passengers dotted about the platform waiting their respective trains. So you people see that when you traveling by the train, so many people standing on the platform. So that's why this is the picture of that. Slutherby spot a club acquaintance. Spotted means having spot, dhabba lagna. Slutherby spotted a club acquaintance and beckoned him up to the carriage window for a chat. So what is the meaning of beckoned? This is the one type of signal for calling with the neck or head. See the again passage. Among the passenger dotted about on the platform. So according to that, having the dot there and so many people waiting their respective trains, Slutherby spotted a club acquaintance and beckoned him up to the carriage window for a chat. So जहाँ जहाँ पर गाड़ी खड़ी होती थी, फिलिप उनको अपने हेड से या नेक से उनको कॉल करता था एंड कॉलिंग फॉर द विंडो सीट्स एंड दिस इज द चैटिंग फॉर हिम. Oh, you are staying with Mrs. Sarpenjago for the weekend. You are? I expect you will have a good time. She has a reputation of being an excellent hostess. So according to that, one passenger understand what he want and where he is going. So according to that, he discussing about that the Sarpenjago. So that's why he asked to the Phillips, आप वीकेंड के लिए मतलब 2-4 दिन के लिए वहाँ पर रहने जा रहे हो क्या? I expect you will have a good time. So that's why the passenger said that this is the good time. She has the reputation of being an excellent hostess. So that's why he giving the more information regarding the Mrs. Jones. She will be useful to you. So that's why the passenger said regarding that, because everyone knows that what type of the Mrs. Jago. So that's why that passenger giving the information regarding the Jago to the Phillips, and this is the good thing for us for Phillips. She will be useful to you. वो आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद होगी. To if that parliamentary project. Hule, you are off. Goodbye. So according to that, this passenger saying so many things regarding the Jago, and he stopped there and went to the platform and go anywhere जहाँ पर उसको जाना था. So passenger with Phillips with passenger talking with the Mrs. Jago, and the passenger giving the general information regarding the Jago. So that's why this is the Phillips feel very good. Slutherby wave goodbye to his friend. So wave means happily अपने फ्रेंड्स को उसने गुड बाय किया. Pull up the window and turn his attention to the magazine laying on his lap. Goodbye. After that, saying the goodbye, he want to read the magazines which laying on his lap. So that's why he turned his attention toward the magazine. He had scarcely he had scarcely glanced at a couple of pages. जैसे खड़े खड़े होते ही उन्होंने एक दो पेजेस को वहाँ पे रेफ़र भी किया था, एक शॉर्ट टाइम नज़र उस पर डाली थी. However, when a smoother's curse caused him to glance hastily at the only other occupant of the carriage. So what is happened in that compartment? In that compartment, so many people there, so that's why one passenger reading that book, and so he taking the glance on one or two pages. So that's why this is says that smoother curse caused him to glance hastily at the only other occupant of the carriage. दूसरा कोई वहाँ पर उसके पास आना चाहिए, उसके पास बैठना चाहिए, उस तरह से वो फिलिप्स बिहेव कर रहा था. His traveling companion was a young man of about 22 with dark hair, fresh complexion, and a blend of smartness and disarray that is typical of the rambler. जो उसके साथ जो बैठा था वो 22 ईयर्स का था और वो ही with dark hair, fresh complexion. This is the color of the person face. This is called the complexion. जैसे गौर वर्णीय जिस तरह से कहते हैं वैसे ही. And a blend of smartness and disarray. What is meant by disarray? This is the disorder condition. This is called a chaos. You know everyone, chaos condition of the that person become a disarray. Disarray means chaos. That is the typical of a rambler. Rambler means hiker. This is containing talking in a bad manner. This type we can say that this is the meaning of the rambler. He was searching furiously and ineffectually for some elusive. So what is meant by elusive? Elusive means this is the difficult to describe. This is called the elusive or non-existent object. From time to time he dug a 6-penny coin out of a waistcoat pocket and started at it roughly. Roughly means feeling bad. Then recommended the fertile searching operations. So what is the description of this? This is the whole description about the young 22 persons boy. So he is a rambler, like a rambler, because on the face he becoming a disarray. So that's why this is the author giving the explanation regarding that 22 years old boy, and he's making so many confusion. So that's why his 6-penny coins थे वो बार बार वहाँ से wrist coat pocket से निकालता था and in a bad manner वो वहाँ पे count करता था. Then recommends the fertile searching operations. So जैसे कि हम रेलवे में जाते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोग एक अलग अलग तरीके से मिलते हैं. उस तरीके का एक इंसान जो 22 ईयर्स का था, यंग मैन था, वो रैम्बलर, इल्यूशंस एंड डिसएरी कंडीशन में वहाँ पहुँच गया था. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही काउंटिंग द 6 penny रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द ruefully manner. This is the feel bad. So that's why this is the description of that 22-person man. And then recommended the fertile searching operation. So that's why that person becoming a little bit confusion, और बाकी का जो काम है वो कुछ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए किया करता था. ओके, बाकी का पैराग्राफ्स है हम बाद में देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.